Thank you so much, Sadhna. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, all the dignitaries, a special guest, Manisha Lamba. I am a president of FIA, Rita Singh. Federation of Indian Association, Chicago, is a huge responsibility. And I do have such a good strength that I could pull this evening. Honorable VIP, dignitaries, community leaders, ladies and gentlemen, with great pride and honor, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to this grand event to celebrate India's 67th Independence Day. India became independent from British rule on August 15, 1947. After a prolonged freedom struggle, it was our great father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who led the non-violent freedom movement for India's independence. Whenever I think of freedom, I think of the price one has to pay, and not only to gain the freedom, but to sustain the freedom, we are working hard. Every day we read about freedom movements in the Middle East and other parts of the world. We all should be proud and fortunate to be the part of two largest democracies in the world. Both India and US have common human values for freedom and independence. Our ancestors paid unthinkable price for freedom, and till date, our people in uniform are relentlessly working day and night and to keep our freedom. Both India and US have been fighting its own battle against terrorism to protect from the terrorism. FIA, Federation of Indian Association Chicago, is an umbrella body, and it represents 300 Indian Americans who are living in Chicagoland area. We are the integral part of Chicago community. We together celebrate our Christmas, we celebrate our Diwali, and we celebrate our Independence Day. Today I feel so honored that we all have gathered here as one community to celebrate India's 67th Independence Day. A grand event like this doesn't happen overnight. Generous support from our sponsors and countless hours from our volunteers have gone to making it this evening grand, successful, and beautiful. So please give everyone a big round of applause for working so hard. Thank you. At this time, I would like to thank all our VIP dignitaries. First, I would like to thank who just landed 4 days back from India, our own Chicago's Consul General of India, Dr. Asif Saeed. It's amazing that having a jet lag, despite of having a jet lag, also he attended because we know that it's all about, India. It's all about Independence Day. So thank you so much, Dr. Saeed, for coming here. We definitely appreciate our Congresswoman, Tammy Duckworth, Congressman Peter Roskam, State Representative Michelle Musman, and Martin Moreland, Schaumburg Mayor L. Larson, Hoffman State Mayor Bill McLeod, Hanover Park Mayor Rodney Craig, Oak Brook Mayor Dr. Gopal Lalvalani, and Raja Krishna Murthy. Without thanking my sponsors, my speech will not get over, because I know that it's just impossible to pull this kind of event without their help. So I would like to thank Mr. Anil Lumba from Home Mortgage Solution, Mr. Narain Arora from State Farm, Mr. Jasbir Suga from Suga Builder, Mrs. Arshia Khan from Simply Me, Mr. Nick Patel from LA Tan, Comcast, New York Live, Mr. Dhitu Bhagwekar from Strike 10, Ms. Ritu Bogru from Karishma Boutique, our own banquet chair, Neelam Dubedi Singh, Dr. Amit Sood and Dr. Anita Verma from Woodlake Family Dental. My volunteer friends, Mika Chadda, Sylvia Bugra, Sukhi Singh, Neil Khote, Leena Shah, and Sadia, I'm really thankful to you. Last but not certainly the least, I got unconditional and tremendous support who was dealing my stress, who is the reason I'm standing here. Without his help, I wouldn't have achieved anything, and I wouldn't have done anything for community. Without his help, I know that I wouldn't be serving community like this, and it's none other than my husband, Sanjeev Singh. Thank you, Sanjeev. And I know that any women in the world can do much better than me if they have a husband like Sanjeev, if they have a brother like Sanjeev, or they have a father like Sanjeev. So I definitely encourage all the men that please be a strength of women, your wife, your daughter, because they have a lot of potential, they have multitasking, they can do anything if you give a little support, a little bit of, your suggestion, a little bit of their dedication is there, so your support is more than enough. Jai Hind, God bless America. And I would like to give special thanks to Manisha Lamba, a Bollywood actress who came all the way from India just to celebrate Independence Day in Chicago with Chicagoland people. So please give her a big round of applause. We can show that Chicago is the best, we are the best people, and we love Bollywood, we love Manisha. Thank you.
Namaste. And thank you so much for inviting me over out here. This is my very first time in Chicago. And as I walked in here, I realized I took a 16-hour flight, and I think I landed straight back in India. Because this feels like home, and it's so humbling to see such a huge Indian community and such a huge Indian presence in Chicago. And the way we celebrate our Independence Day every year, I don't think Indians anywhere around the world do that. They don't do that in the UK, they don't do that in Australia, or anywhere else where there's a huge Indian presence abroad. But the beauty about Indians in America is the way you've welcomed and adapted yourselves to a whole new culture, yet retained Indianness that is so indigenous to us. And I think it's because you live in such a warm and wonderful place that's called America, that promotes various cultures and that promotes cultural identity, living in a melting pot. And that is something that the world needs to learn today. So thank you so much for having me over, and happy Independence Day, everybody. Thank you.